session. Okay, fine. Okay, guys, let us start the session. Guys, today I'm going to take need about 1.5 hour class, guys. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Up to 7:30, I will take the class. Yesterday, we were discussing about
Salesforce Cloud and Cloud Partner.
Salesforce Clouds, Salesforce Partners, versions of Salesforce, and also editions of Salesforce. And now I'm going to discuss about environments of Salesforce. This is very, very important. There are two types of environments here. There are two types of environments. That is, sandbox environment and a production environment. Sandbox environment and production environment. So what is sandbox environment here? Sandbox environment means it is a place where developers can sit and develop the application as per the client's requirement. I can say it is purely PaaS environment. Yesterday we discussed about what is the meaning of PaaS. PaaS means platform as a service, where developers can sit and develop the application. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Understand, Gaurav?
Yes.
Everybody, please read this point once again. Sandbox environment means it is a place where developers can sit and develop the application as per the client requirement. Generally, developers are developing the application for whom? For the client's purpose only. Sir, no. Client has his own business. As per the client requirement, as per the client business requirement, developers are going to develop the application, right?
Yes.
Come on. And where developers can develop the application, that particular environment, we can call it as what? Sandbox environment. Okay. Hello?
Yes.
Good, good. And that is why I can say it is a purely PaaS environment, platform as a service. Tell me, yesterday I told you, what is a platform given by Salesforce? What is the platform name? Come on, guys. That is why, see, guys, please complete your registrations as soon as possible because you are missing so much notes. Hello.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Please complete your formalities. Formalities in the sense, your registration process. Hello. So that I can share these notes.
Okay.
Force.com. What is the platform name? Force.com. The new name can be called as Lightning Platform.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Next important point is there are three types of sandboxes. One is configuration sandbox. Developer sandbox. And we have something called what? Full copy sandbox. Configuration sandbox means it is completely, GUI environment. What is the meaning of GUI, Gaurav?
Graphical user interface.
Graphical user interface. Okay. So I can say graphical user interface means just drag and drop, point and click. Developer no need to write any code. Okay. I can say 40% of application development, 40% of application development, we can develop through GA only. Understand all of you? Hello.
Yes.
So coding part is very less in Salesforce. That is why maybe some people got a doubt, sir, I don't have any programming skills. Can I understand the subject? Can I go for development side or not? No problem at all. Development part is very easy in Salesforce and programming code is very, very less comparatively Java and .NET or any other technology I can say.
Sir, sorry to cut you short. I have a doubt and I was curious to ask this. Sir, I come from non-technical background. So would it be little easier for me to understand these technical terminologies and basic fundamental concepts in this computer sense?
Gaurav, being a layman, okay.
Yeah.
I think Gaurav asked this question, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Gaurav, where are you from? What is your background?
Sir, I'm from finance. I'm a finance professional. I've done MBA. So I'm into like accounts payable, receivable, general ledger, and all that.
Okay, fine. Um, Actually, even though you're completely non-IT background, okay, maybe you have some doubts, sir. Can I cope up with the subject? Can I understand the subject or not? Can I
Yeah.
understand the
Yes.
programming or not? I don't have minimum basics also. Okay, I'll give you one example, Gaurav. One of my old student, I'm long back, one of my old student, I'm talking about before COVID, I can say, around 2018, around, I hope so, 5 years back, I believe.
Okay.
Okay, his name is Mr. Sriram. His
Yeah.
age is 45 years plus.
Okay.
He's completely non-IT background like you only. He's into sales side. Okay, he's
Okay.
having more than 25 years experience in sales side. Maybe somehow he fed up with the sales because he's completely roaming around the country here and there. He's always away from the family and health is not also not supported him. Maybe one
Okay.
of his friends suggesting him to go for Salesforce side.
Right.
One fine morning he came to me and he met me and he, he introduced himself, sir. My name is Sriram and came from so and so background. I don't have any basics in that. I don't know what is the meaning of computer also.
Okay.
Okay, I know only Excel sheet. That's it.
Right.
So, can I cope with this subject or not? Can I understand? One of my friend suggesting me to go for Salesforce because Salesforce side is market is
Right.
really good, getting the jobs easy, and programming also very less and easy. That is the reason I came here, sir. What are you suggesting me? And I convinced him. He joined and he attended my sessions. And after completion of this course, believe it or not, he attended more than 20 plus interviews.
Okay.
All interviews he failed.
All interviews he failed. Okay.
Everyone rejected.
Okay.
Why? Because of lack of, it's not the because of lack of knowledge. It's the because of what? The previous experience.
All right.
So being a sales guy, having vast experience in 25 years experience, and all of a sudden, why you're changing the stream from sales to software? That's the
Okay.
first question. Like in every interview, they asked, and okay, somehow he could manage, and almost in every interview failed. Okay,
Right.
and believe it or not, after 22nd or 23rd interview, he got succeed. Now he is working as a senior developer
All right.
of the MNC company in Hyderabad.
Okay.
So he is really motivated person, I believe. Why? Because being a more than 45 years experience, 45 years old guy, that too coming from non-IT background, having sales background, and understanding the subject, okay, attending the interviews without lose his confidence, without losing his fire, you know, getting the job in MNC company as a senior developer, it's not that much easy. No.
Right. You're right, sir.
The only thing I'm expecting from your side, he is an inspiration for all of us. The only thing I'm expecting from your side is, suppose if I'm taking 1 hour class every day, at least practice, because you're non-IT background student, at least you have to practice 3 hours per day.
3 hours per day. Right, sir.
Yeah, that is enough. That is enough because you're not attending any UPSC exam. Okay.
Right.
Point clear. So 3 hours is enough. Starting stage. But without any absence. Okay. Every day you have to attend the class. Every day you have to practice. And definitely I will ensure you, I will promise you, next 5 months down the line, definitely you'll get the job.
Okay, sir. So,
Point
sir,
is- the
how to
point
handle
is,
this?
see, the point is, if you want to get the job in software field, 50% of communication is important. Point clear?
Right.
50% if you have communication skills, next 50% only is technical skills. Point clear?
Okay.
So
So by
you-
communication, we mean here that how you present your knowledge, how you convince them.
that's important.
Okay. Right.
Okay. So cracking the job is very easy. Cracking the interview is also very easy. You know, where you face this difficulty, you know, where you face the challenging is once you get into the floor, okay,
Right.
once you start the coding, there you can face the problem. Point clear?
Right.
That
Okay.
too initial says only maximum 1 week or 10 days. But slowly, you know, once you get habituated, it becomes easy for you.
Okay.
Point clear, but don't lose your confidence. That's what I'm telling here.
Yeah.
Point clear, because you know, I can say you took a very, you know, you take a different decision actually, because altogether you came from what? Finance background to what?
Right. Right.
Okay. So no problem at all. Keep in touch, Gaurav. The only thing, don't lose your fire. Keep on
So,
practice.
sir, because 60% is pure programming and it is language based. So that's what concerns me. I mean, that's what scares me. So that's why I've asked you how to handle this. And
See,
as you
so you have to start at any particular point of time, any new job, what I'm talking you. See, before you join finance, do you know finance?
No, sir, not at
The
all.
first day, you don't know anything. Am I correct?
Right.
Slowly understand the things. Once after 1 year, maybe 6 months, you get what? Strong in that aspect. Am I correct or not?
Right.
Same way, whatever you see in the life, every job is new for everyone. Yes or no? First day.
Right.
Correct or not? Try to understand my intention, what I'm trying to tell.
Right.
Okay. See here, my way of teaching is like this only. Okay. Suppose you are intermediate graduate. Let us assume like this. You are intermediate graduate. At least you have to start the day. Okay. What is language? What is program? What is syntax and all, right? The only thing, your age. I don't know. What is your age?
Sir, my age is 32.
Yeah, man. Why you're scaring unnecessarily. See here. Tell me from where I started the explanation. From where I started the explanation. What is language? What is the meaning of a language?
Yes.
Huh? It was in what? November 21st year. I think 2 years back. The old batch.
Right.
This is way of explanation. Suppose, okay, for 10th class students joined in the class, for intermediate students joined in the class, PG student joined in the class. Okay. So I started the class from here only, no?
Right. From the very basic.
Very basic.
Okay.
Am I started programming directly here?
No, not at all. Sir.
Am I put any Apex hitting here? No.
Because you also know that people from different background are into the batch. They have come here to study. So accordingly, you must have planned. I hope that.
Obviously,
Right.
see, everyone, even a layman also can easily understand what is the meaning of a language. Okay,
Yes,
we
sir.
are in software field. In software field, what kind of languages are there? There are 3 types of languages. These are very
Mhm.
basics,
Basics,
isn't
right.
it? After understanding the basics only, it is going around 2 to 3 days. Okay.
Right.
After completion of this, okay, what is types of programming language generations? What is monolithic language? Comparison between the natural language and English language. What is program? Okay.
Right.
With simple examples. I had my breakfast. Breakfast I had my okay,
Right.
what is program? What is statement? What is token? A layman also can easily understand the my class.
Okay.
Understand?
So, sir, while performing this course with you, so definitely I'm going to come up with the doubt. So, how you are going to clear those doubts? It is going to be one-on-ones. I mean, many on one session. How or after the
You can ask
class
the
you are
doubts
going
in the classroom itself. Just now you asked one question. Sir, I came from a different background. I
to.
spoke with you
Okay.
almost more than 5 minutes now. Yes or no?
Yes.
Like that, if you have any doubt, you can ask the class, you can ask the questions in the classroom itself. If not, if you feel okay, shy, otherwise you
Mhm.
can, anyway, you can take my number, you can message me, you can ping me,
Okay. Okay.
I'll clarify
Okay.
your doubts. Okay.
And
See,
sir, some of my friends are also willing to join, but they have some language problem. They're not so expressive with English. So can they ask in Hindi if you are comfortable
why
or?
not? I can comfort in Hindi, I can comfort in English, I can comfort.
Okay, okay, okay. That's great, sir.
No
Great.
problem at all.
Yeah, sure, sir.
See, from where I started here, after 3 days, 4 days, I started what? Apex language.
Yes.
First 3, 4 days, I just discussed about the basics of language. It is common for every people. Even 7th class student, 8th class student, 9th class student, PG
Okay.
student also, these points are
Mhm.
common.
Right.
Point clear?
Yes, sir.
You believe it or not, Gaurav, just I am the live example. I started my career in 1992. When?
Okay.
1992, I was joined in a software field.
Okay.
1992.
And sir, how about the Salesforce future?
Down the line, next 7 years, sales was good in the market, undoubtedly.
Okay. And
Next,
sir, I know that being a non-technical person, it would be a little difficult for me to get the job, right? Because we stand little lower at the
yeah, you
lower
have
side.
you have to ready for this question. You have to prepare the answer for this question. What is that? You being a finance background guy, and why you're changing your stream into software field?
Okay.
That is
Right.
the only okay. That is the only answer you have to fabricate. Understand?
And that's why this person failed in the 20 interviews,
Obviously,
changing the
most of the
career.
because see, I am the person. If I'm going to give the job to you with being a 45 years plus year age guy, okay, definitely
Mhm.
I have some doubt whether this guy can accustom with coding or not.
Okay.
Yes, sir. That kind of doubts I have, right?
Right.
Obviously, but anyway, somehow see. Maybe one or two places you failed, third place definitely can succeed, na?
Mhm.
Am I correct?
Yes, you are.
So
And
don't
sir, as a fresher also, and I was going through one YouTube video, and in the comment section, there were so many guys mentioned that the companies are not ready to hire freshers; they want experience. So, I mean, how we are going to face this?
just put the fake experience. What is in that? Do you think that the people who are working the companies are they really freshers? Are they really genuine?
Might be.
No, 70% of the
Here,
people are not genuine.
here I have
Okay.
a small doubt, sir. Sandeep here.
Yeah.
We know we can put the experience. So in the two scenarios, one is some people doesn't have any experience. Some people have a other stream like me or Saurav, like finance.
Hmm.
So we can put the same companies and we can change the responsibilities, roles and responsibilities, or else we can put like completely any other third party companies, complete fake experience.
Yeah, we can take the fake experience from the consultancy. If you want any consultancy addresses, I will provide you. Okay, initially you can work on their payroll. After
Okay.
that, once you got experience, minimum 6 months to 1 year, then you can move into some other company on the
Okay.
company payroll.
And one more thing, sir,
One more
certification,
thing,
how much important?
let me tell one important point. Suppose you feel that I'm difficult about to write the programming and all because I'm completely new for the programming. So in Salesforce, we have another facility. We have 2 types of jobs in Salesforce. Job profiles. Okay. One is developer job. Second one is admin job. If you want to go for admin side, you do not require any programming skills.
Right.
No coding. And what is my suggestion is better to go for admin side initially. Once you got the real-time exposure as an admin, then if you want to move, you can move into developer side. What is in that?
But I heard that because of artificial intelligence, admin jobs are completely going to disappear, but it's going to be lower in future.
No. What is my artificial intelligence? I didn't get you exactly.
I mean, I don't know, but I heard that admin job is going to go on the lower side, going to become less.
Completely. Lower side in the sense, see, as far as salary point of is concerned, I'm talking.
Okay.
Admin is not lower. Okay, admin is also very good job profile, good job profile. My point is, as far as salary point of is concerned, developer getting more salary than admin. See, at the end of the day, everybody money matters, right?
Okay. Right.
Okay. So comparatively developer admin, suppose I can say at least 20 to 25% salary variation is there between these two.
Achha. Okay.
Okay, once you got exposed on admin side, you can move into what? Developer. Because see, altogether you came from different background. How can you expect as a developer initially?
Right.
It is also difficult for you to handle. Understood?
Right.
Okay. My suggestion is better to go for admin side initially. Then we can move into what? Developer side.
Sir, is it possible to learn the real-time experience apart from our coaching?
I am giving the real-time exposure only.
Okay.
Point clear. While explaining the topics, okay, this is the area where you have to focus. And from this topic, you're getting some important interview questions. Like that, I'm going to explain the entire syllabus. Understand?
Okay. And certification matters, sir, in the job-related field for
Certification, see, the people who are living in India, certification is not mandatory. Okay. Other country people only, they need what? Certification.
Yeah, actually, I'm moving to Germany, so because of that, I'm asking.
For that, compulsory, he need what? Certification. Certification also don't bother. Okay. Everything I will be taking care of my side.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Understand the point here? There is another way to get the certification.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Hope you understand this. I don't want to disclose all things in front of all.
I got it. I got it.
Okay. See, first of all, see, forget about the scareness. What's your name? Gaurav.
Gaurav, yes.
Okay. So be brave. Okay. Be confident.
Sure, sir.
Definitely will get the job.
Sure, sir.
But my suggestion is better to go for admin initially.
Admin part. Okay.
Yeah. Maybe one thing before I proceed. One thing. Suppose, okay, today your salary is 100 rupees. Let us assume like this. Okay, as an admin, if you join in a small company, maybe you got 30 rupees. Don't bother.
Right.
Don't bother about the salary.
Right.
Understand, all of you? You have to adjust yourself. Point clear?
Yes, sir.
But once you got experience 6 months to 1 year, okay, you can show your experience more than 6 years or 5 years. Okay, initial break is important. Understand, Gaurav?
Yes, sir. So you mean to say that initially salary does not matter. All it matters is the experience and the learning. And once you have it, then you can negotiate on the table.
Yes, exactly. Once you got the real-time exposure, you are not going to speak at the time of interview. Your subject is going. Your experience speaks. Understand, all of you?
Yes.
So that is the initial break is important. But you have to be patient enough to get the initial break. Understand?
Sure.
That's it. Are Baba, today I watched the movie. Very nice movie. Really inspired movie. 12th class. Is anyone watched this movie?
Yes, sir. After you said Estimate, I watched.
Really wonder.
It's a restart.
Really, you believe it or not, really inspirational. Correct or not? Who watched this movie?
Sir,
Yeah,
12th pass or 12th fail?
12th fail.
I don't know. 12th pass,
12th
12th fail, I don't know.
12th
12th
fail.
class something. Movie name.
Okay, okay.
Really good.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Because right now, because we all are worked, we have experience, but in other domains. So it's just we can compare ourselves.
Yeah, don't bother, of course, because once you cross some stage, it is very difficult to understand the other things because because of age factor, responsibilities, family, yes or no. Okay, don't bother, Gaurav. Don't
Sure,
lose your
sir.
confidence. Okay.
Sure, sir. Because, sir, I have a friend also, he has been really struggling with, a stable career. He has tried many things now. Now he's planning for Salesforce. From somewhere he came to know that there's a good code. So that's why, I personally ask you how it's going to be.
Oh, is your close friend?
Yeah, he's a very close friend of mine. She's a female. And she's very disappointed with the career, not getting, job satisfaction, very low quality jobs. I mean,
I
that's why.
understood. And why don't you people work each other?
Sorry, sir?
Why don't you people work each other while practicing, while discussing the subject?
Yes, we can do that.
Did you understand what I am speaking?
So you want us to practice, practice together?
Yeah,
Okay. Yes, we can do that, sir. Sure.
because both are came from same background. Okay.
Yes, yes. We are from same
So
background.
when you discuss somebody, definitely you'll get more doubts. You can ask the doubts in the class to next class. Okay. So
Sure,
that you
sir.
can explore the subject, right?
Yes,
Okay.
you're right.
So see, always good company is always beneficial for you,
Right.
right? Okay. So no problem. Okay. 1 minute, guys. So a lot of discussion happened. Yeah, it is completely GUI environment. 40% of application development we can develop through what? Coding. GUI without coding. And coming to developer sandbox, in the developer sandbox, it is completely, coding environment. I can say 60% of application development. We can develop through what? Coding or programming. So programming is also very easy. For programming, we people are using what? Apex language. Of course, I told you regarding this. Apex language given by Salesforce company. It's a proprietary language of Salesforce company.
Sure.
So 40% coding, 60%, 40% GUI, 60% coding. Okay, 1 minute, guys. Please wait.
Yeah.
Okay, fine, guys. So developer sandbox, and coming to the full copy sandbox, it contains the replica. You know what is the meaning of the word replica? Replica means
Duplicate.
duplicate copy of the original application. Point clear? Hello. Contains the replica of the original application. Why we need to place the duplicate copy in full copy sandbox? See everyone, Gaurav and rest of all the people. There is a word called SDLC. SDLC stands for Software Development Life Cycle. What does SDLC stands for? Software Development Life Cycle. Means if you want to develop any project, for any company, any project, small project, bigger project, medium level project, whatever it is, if you want to develop any project, every development team should follow 4 steps, or I can say 4 phases. So the first phase out of 4 phases is called designing. Designing means we have to collect the requirement gatherings from the client. Requirement gatherings means what? What client exactly expected from us, and how we need to design. Everything comes under what here? Designing phase.
Okay.
After designing, what is the next one here? Come on. Development. After development, we have to go for, come on, testing. Then we have to go for what? Deployment. All of you understand?
Right.
Designing, development, testing, deployment. These are the 4 phases are included in software development life cycle. If you want to develop any project, any developer should follow all these 4. Okay, for your better understanding as a layman point of view, I want to construct a building. I want to construct my house. Before
Right.
constructing the house, I have to meet some architect, and architect is going to design the plan. Yes or no?
Right.
Designing the plan is nothing but designing phase. Point clear?
Right.
Tell me, how can you construct the house based on the plan or not? Come on. Construct the building based on the plan. So development means construct the building, means constructing the project based on the designing. Point clear?
Right.
After development, what we have to do? Testing. What is the meaning of testing? The word test means it's a process of checking. Yes or no?
Correct.
It is a process of what? Checking. What we are going to check? Whether the application is really meeting the come on, client's requirement or not. That's it. Point clear?
Right.
Suppose client expecting some X. So we have to develop X, yes or no?
Correct.
The end result, the client is expecting how much? X. So we need to check whether the application is really meeting the customer requirement, means whether the application is really meeting the X or not. Suppose you are getting, instead of X, we are getting Y, your applications failed, yes or no? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is nothing but what? Fail application. Again, you have to go for development. Again, you have to reschedule the entire process. Point clear? Testing means what? It is a process of, come on, checking whether the application is really meeting the client's requirement or not.
So,
Once
sir,
it is passed,
basically, these are 4 mandatory standard steps to develop an application or a software,
yes,
right?
exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. Whether if you go any company, everyone should follow all the 4 rules, 4 steps.
Okay. So we have a different person for designing and another person for development, testing.
Obviously, designing for in the company, for designing part, everything will be taken care of by, architect.
Okay.
Who will design the plan? Architect is already design the plan. Yes or no?
Right.
In software development also, we have architects are there. Architect means once you got real-time experience as a developer, minimum 10 to 15 years, then only you become what?
Architect.
Architect only can understand the client's requirement exactly.
Right.
And architect is going to design the plan. Plan in the sense he is going to develop the BRD. BRD stands for Business Requirement Document.
Right.
Based on the document, and this document given to architect, given to development team.
So is this business analyst? Is designer a business analyst, we can say?
Business analyst and architect both involving in where?
Okay.
Designing
Fine.
part.
Right.
Initially, architect and business analyst both will go and meet customer.
Right.
Okay. And customer is going to speaking about his business. They have to understand the business and they have to understand the client requirement. And finally, they have to prepare the BRD. This is what exactly the client expecting from us. And based on that, development team is going to develop the application. Point clear?
Right.
In the development team, delivery managers. Okay. We have project managers. Under project managers, we have team leaders. Under team leaders, developers are working. Point clear?
Right.
These are all technical team. Understand?
Sure.
Okay. So developers are working, team leaders. Team leader is responsible for project managers. Project manager is responsible for what? Delivery managers.
Right.
Understand? This is the hierarchy. Okay. It might be vary from one company to other company, this hierarchy. Okay. Maybe names may be vary, but process is same. Okay.
Sure.
Then after testing pass, okay, everything is fine. Yes, we are meeting the customer's requirement. Then we have to go for what?
Deployment.
Deployment. What is the meaning of deployment? Moving the application from, sandbox environment to
Production environment.
moving the application from sandbox environment to production environment. Point clear?
Sandbox environment is a testing environment, we can say?
Sandbox environment is development environment.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Development. Once development completed, testing also completed, then after full copy sandbox, then we have to move the application into production. Production means it's a client's environment where client sit and use the application.
Right.
Okay, for your better understanding, I'm giving one more example. Let us assume I'm a food caterer. Who am I? Okay, maybe in Gaurav having a function, maybe some birthday function happening in his house. Maybe for 100 people, he need what? Food. Point clear?
Yes, sir.
And he called me. I'm a food caterer. Okay.
Okay.
And he told me, okay, I'm having a function in my house and we are expecting 100 people. Okay. And this is the menu what we want. So as per the menu, I need to prepare the dishes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Come on. Good. So I have to go to whose place? Gaurav's place. I have to collect the information. It's all comes under what?
Designing.
Means what he is expecting from my end.
Right.
Based on that, I need to prepare the menu or not.
Right.
Preparation of items is nothing but, come on, development. Yes, sir?
Development.
After
Right.
development, I have to test. whether the food is really tastes or not, as per the client requirement or not. Yes or no? If everything is fine, taste
Yes,
is
sir.
good, then what I have to do? I have to move the food from my place to Gaurav's place. Yes or no?
Right.
Through truck or van, whatever it is. Correct or not?
Correct.
So moving the food from my place to customer place, that is nothing but deployment.
Deployment.
Understand the example?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the 4 phases everyone should follow. This is called something like software
Software
development life cycle.
cycle.
Am
Okay.
I clear this example, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you're always sitting at the sandbox environment because we are developers, right?
Right.
Okay. After testing, yeah, Preeta, why not? You can talk with me. No issues at all.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. And Preetham, did you attend yesterday's class?
Yes, sir.
Because I didn't see your name in the lobby.
Oh, sorry. Yesterday I was not there because I'm in a meeting at that time. But yeah, day before yesterday I was there. The first class. Yep.
Oh, fine. So once we move the application from sandbox to production, the next environment is called production environment. I can say production environment, it is a client's environment where client and client's employees are sitting and use the, come on, what is this?
Application.
So after development, then we need to deploy. So once we deploy that at the client place, and client employees are going to use the application or not.
Right.
Okay. But here I'm going to ask a simple question. Is client and client employees knows how to use the application?
No, they don't know.
They
We
don't know
need
how
to
to use the
train.
application. Yes or
We
no?
need to train them.
There is another person to guide them. There is
Right.
another person to monitor them. There is
Mhm.
another person to monitor how the application is working properly or not. Yes or no?
Right. Right.
So that person, we can call him as a super user. Understood?
Super user. Right.
And technically, we can call him as a system administrator.
System admin.
Yeah, this is the job I prefer initially for you guys.
So the job of this person is to help the client to configure or enable things in the system.
Yeah, not you don't need to configure the system, you don't need to enable the system and all.
Okay.
I'm
Mhm.
going to write the roles and responsibility of system administrator in the company.
Okay.
Then you can understand what is your responsibilities. Okay.
Okay.
So as a system administrator, the one point you have to understand, first of all, system administrator always sitting at where? At the client place only.
Client place. Okay.
Point clear? That is the point you have to understand.
Right.
This development part is completed. You know, no more involved in the production development part here. Yes or no?
Mhm.
Coding part
Right.
completed. That is a system administrator not require any programming skills. Point clear?
Right.
So system administrator, what are the roles and responsibilities? Roles and responsibilities of system admin. If you got a job as system administrator, what is your roles and responsibilities? As system administrator, you are the only person to create the user accounts.
Okay.
User account means, suppose I am one of the employee in the company. I want to access the application. How can I
Right.
access the application? I should have my username and password, no?
Correct.
Without having username and password, I cannot access the application, right?
Right.
So that we treat it as an unauthorized user. That is why everyone should have what? Own account. So this account is also created by whom here? System administrator, okay?
Yes.
Next one, creating the users. Creating the roles. Role means, what is a role in the company? Role is nothing but your designation.
Right.
Okay, we have different types of designations in the company.
Mhm.
Company CEO, company CTO, company COO, company CFO, company directors,
Right.
company sales managers, sales representatives, yes or no? Marketing
Right.
managers, marketing representatives. So many people are there, right?
Mhm.
So everybody had their own designation. that is called create roles. After that, create privileges, create profiles. What is profile? Profile is nothing but collection of privileges. Privilege means permissions.
Okay.
So after creating the profile, we have to grant. Grant means giving.
Okay.
Grant the
Access.
privileges to the users based
Okay.
on their, come on, roles.
Roles.
Shall you give the same privilege for manager and clerk in the company?
No.
Should not. So manager is a higher category so that he can access, he is having more privileges, permissions than clerk. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir,
So
correct.
based on the user roles, okay, system administrator is going to granting the privileges. Point clear?
Right.
Okay, one employee is going to resign the job from the company. Whatever privileges as of now I granted to him, I
We
want
have
to
to
take
remove
back the
these
privileges from,
access.
yes or no?
Right.
That is called what? Revoke the privileges
Revoke the privilege.
from the user. Point clear?
Right.
Okay. After that, data management, apart from this, he is having so many responsibilities in the company. Data management operations. Data management operations means sometimes that is called import and export. Sometimes, we are getting the data from external resources to, okay, Salesforce. Sometimes we are moving the data from Salesforce to, come on, what is this? Let us assume I have the branch in UK. Okay. And they are using maybe SAP.
Okay.
Point clear? I want some data. Okay. UK data. Okay. I want to extract the data, UK data. And I want to move into what? Salesforce.
Okay.
But the data is available in where? SAP application. Yes or no? I want to move from SAP to where? Salesforce.
So there's there's a terminology that we use from transferring the data from one place to the other place.
Obviously, that is called import and export, right?
Simple. Oh, okay.
Moving the data from outside to inside, import. Inside to outside, export, right?
And what is legacy? Moving the data from one legacy system to the another legacy system.
It's not legacy system.
Okay.
Okay. Two different applications running. Okay. I want to extract the data from one application to my Salesforce application. And I want to move the data from Salesforce application to maybe some other system.
All right.
For this, Salesforce given some tools to perform this import export operations. Salesforce given some tools. These tools can be called as data import wizard. What is this?
Data import wizard.
And the second tool is called data loader. Point clear?
Right.
With the help of these two tools, okay, system administrator can perform what?
Import and export.
Import and export.
Sai, somebody is looking like Oracle EBS.
Oracle?
EBS.
EBS, electronic.
No. It's completely different than this one.
No, I don't know. I don't know about it.
That is ERP.
ERP tool, yes, sir. Same like it is there with system.
No.
There here.
No.
Maybe I'm not sure about that. Guys, one of my old student, just 1.5 year back, okay, he got a job. Not 1.5 year back, probably 6 months back, I can say. His name is Satish. He completed MCA, and in COVID time, he joined as a junior lecturer in one of the junior college. After that, he resigned the job and is looking for software side, and he joined my class. And right now he's working as a system administrator in Salesforce.
Okay.
And before Diwali, after Diwali, he came to me at my place. He met me. I just asked him, what is your nature of job? What exactly you're doing in the company? Sir, most of the 90% of the job I'm performing only through data load.
Okay.
Only data loader, sir. Whatever topics we are covering in the classroom, okay, as far as my job is concerned, I'm not doing this. 90% of job is only data load. Actually,
Okay.
this company client is some, alcohol company, alcohol manufacturing company. So they are having some breweries. Okay, his client, US client. Understand? He's working with
Yeah.
him. 90% of the job is what? Data loader.
Okay.
Okay. Even he do not get the chance, he do not get the chance to create all these things. Last 6 months.
Okay.
Point clear.
Right.
So working with data load is very easy. It's very cool job. Understand? That depends.
Right.
Point to company, that depends. It is going to vary. Okay. Data management operations. Next, data automation. And we have something called what? Approvals.
Okay.
1 minute, guys. Please wait. Data automation. Automation means automatically performs the operation. Understand? Without user interaction, I can say. I'll give you one beautiful example. Suppose I deposit some amount in my company, in my account. Or maybe I went to the ATM counter, withdraw some amount. Immediately, will I receive the SMS in my mobile?
Yes.
Tell me, who will send the SMS? Is any particular person in the bank is going to send the SMS manually?
No.
Automatic.
Practically, it is impossible. It's automatic. Yes or no? Sometimes you are getting some OTP when you performing any online transaction. Okay, when you buy any product through online. Okay, once you're trying to pay the amount, you will get OTP or not?
Right.
On time pass. Who will send the OTP?
Robotic system.
Automatically happens. Yes or
Yeah.
no? But
Yes.
no, it's not user manual thing. Yes or no? Automatically performs this kind of
Right.
automations. Clear? Automations and approvals. Okay,
Right.
for this automations and approvals, Salesforce was given some tools like workflows, process builder, flow builder, and approval process.
Okay.
These are the tools. So these are the tools we are using. Okay. Tools means your job is very easy, guys. Point clear? Just drag and drop. That's it.
Okay.
The only thing you have to remember, the navigation steps. That's it. Next, data analysis. Data analysis. That is, reports and what? Come on. Dashboards.
Dashboards.
Tell me, CEO level people, finally they're expecting what? Reports only. Yes or no?
Dashboards and reports. Yes.
Reports. Based on the reports only, they will take the decisions. Yes or no?
Right.
So generating the reports, generating dashboards as per the high-level management requirement, that is also the responsibility of a system administrator. Next, last and final one, most important job of system administrator is data security. Understand?
Right.
Data security. Data security. Okay, org level security. Org means organization level security. Next, application level security. Next, tab level security. Maybe you don't know what is tab means. I'll explain you later. Tab level security. Then object level security. Under object level security, we have something called field level security. Under field level security, we have something called record level security. Under record level security, again, we have something called OWD, role hierarchy. Sharing rules, manual sharing. All these four comes under what? Record level security. Understand? OWD stands for organization-wide defaults.
Okay.
Okay, maybe some technical words you may not understand at this particular
Mhm.
point of time, but I will make you understand at the time of admin part. Okay.
Sure.
So data security, data analysis, data automation, data management, import, export. Okay. Creating the account, creating the user accounts, creating the roles, creating the profiles. These are the roles and responsibilities of system administrator.
So, sir, this data automation job, it will be purely based on the tools, or do we need to put our own logic?
No,
Like in Excel sheet, we make
based on tools
macros and
only.
all.
Purely based on tools.
Okay.
Or we need SQL.
No need to write any coding part here.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
SQL side?
Sorry?
Data. SQL we needed or no need? On
Sorry,
this.
I didn't get you.
SQL, SQL.
SQL is also part of your development. I will explain you.
Okay. Okay.
Do you have the knowledge in SQL?
Yes, yes, I have.
What's your name?
Sure.
Shiva.
Yes.
And it is very easy to understand the subject
Okay.
because you know the knowledge of what? Database.
Yes, yes. That's why I had that out.
Yeah. Because see, database point of view, we can call it as a table. Yes or no?
Yes.
What is table? It's a place where we can store information permanently. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
In Salesforce point of view, you can call it as what? As object.
Okay.
That's it. Only
Okay.
terminology different.
Okay.
Okay. A subject means Salesforce object. That is nothing but a database table.
Okay.
Understand?
Understood.
Because S object means table. Table contains what? Fields. Yes or no?
Yes.
Object. Look at this. S object. Object contains what? Fields.
Field.
Field contains what? Records. Yes or no?
Yes.
It is all related to database or not?
Yes, it's real.
So Shivakumar, you can understand the subject more easily. Okay.
Okay.
No problem. The people who don't know about the knowledge on database also, I will make you understand. Okay, it's my promise.
Thank you, sir.
Gaurav. Okay, don't bother about it.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
The only thing you have to concentrate, you have to practice.
Sure.
I think so far so good, right? Understand?
Yes, sir. Great.
Fine. Okay, before, we all dive into Salesforce environment. Before we all dive into Salesforce environment,
Mm-hmm.
you should know about basic vocabulary,
Okay.
what we are using in Salesforce. Understand, everyone?
Yeah.
The first one. Sir, nothing is new for you guys. Everything you already know. But you're not concentrated on the on that particular at that particular point of time. Point clear?
Mm. Right.
Okay. Is anyone here this name?
Yes.
Non-IT student also, non-IT person also can know about this name. Yes or no?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
We are using this word every day regularly in our daily life, right?
Right.
Once you open your mobile, you can see a lot of apps. Yes or no?
Mm-hmm. Right.
What is the next one?
Tab.
Everybody sitting in front of the systems. In the system keyboard, we have in the system,
Yes.
we have tab button is there. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, what is tab? I'm pressing tab. See, the control is moving towards right side, right?
Mm-hmm. Right.
Okay. Okay. Tell me. 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute. This is what? Come on. Speak out. YouTube, right?
Yes.
And this is what? Disney Hotstar, right?
Mm-hmm.
And this is what? Gmail.
Gmail.
And this is what? Zoom. Tell me how many applications at a time I opened? 5. WhatsApp, YouTube, Disney Hotstar, Gmail, and Zoom, right?
Mm.
I just drag the mouse pointer on the plus symbol. What is the message I got on the screen, Gaurav?
New tab.
If I click on new tab, what happens?
I can open one more app.
I can move from Zoom application to Google application, right?
Right.
So if I click on tab, I can move from one page to another page, right?
Right.
That is called tab. Understand?
And sir, we before we progress to further discussion, one simple question coming to: what is the difference between a software and an application? Basic difference.
I can say application we can download through software.
Okay.
Application we can download through software, right? Java is a programming language. Is it software or not?
Right.
Using the Java language, can we download the application?
Yes.
Now it is clear?
Yeah.
Software is the raw material. Applications are end product, okay?
Right.
Good. Next. What is this?
Subject.
SObject stands for Salesforce object. It is nothing but a database table, just now I told you.
Yeah.
Guys, listen carefully. As long as you are in Salesforce, okay, without using this word SObject, you cannot complete your day. Understood?
Okay. Right.
That is that much important, okay? Good. SObject. Then after, come on, field.
Fields.
Then after, data. Then after, what is this? So these are the 6 important words that you need to understand before we enter into Salesforce, okay?
Okay.
All of you understand Shiv Kumar and this Gaurav,
Yes, sir. Understood.
Preetham Patil, everyone in the class.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So tell me, as per your knowledge, what is the meaning of an app? App means application, right?
Mm-hmm.
In short, we can call it as app. Tell me, what is an application? As per your knowledge. Tell me any answer. I don't mind. I'm not expecting the right answer from your side. Feel free.
Right. On mobile, we use different application in our day-to-day life. Right. We download them and use them as per our need. Those applications.
Okay, what is application? We are using the application, but what is application? Our daily life, we are using so many applications for.
It's a kind of a software only.
Of course, that's what I told you. Application we can develop through software. Okay. What is application? Okay, I will make you to tell the answer. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. I will make you to tell the answer. I want to go to animal movie.
Mm-hmm.
So what is the application I'm trying to open now?
Bookmyshow.com.
BookMyShow is an application or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Click on BookMyShow. And I want to go to which movie?
Animal.
Animal movie. Right now I'm living in Hyderabad. What is this?
Place.
Come on. If I click on drop down button, we can see all popular cities in India. Yes or no?
Yes.
In which city you want to see this movie?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Click on Hyderabad. Okay. These are the movies are available in Hyderabad.
Mm-hmm.
Salar, Devil, Donkey, something is there.
Okay.
What is this? I want to watch this movie.
Storage of data.
Then after, what is this? Come on.
Booking ticket.
Book tickets. Click on Hindi. Okay. What are all these? These are all list of theaters or not?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I want to watch this movie in this theater. Click on what? I think it's not available. Executive VIP. I want to see the movie in VIP.
Mm-hmm.
How many seats? 1 seat. Sorry, seats. Okay, I selected 1 seat. Pay 350. Accept. Tell me, what are all these? Food items, yes or no? While I'm watching the movie, I want to eat something, yes or no? Popcorn, some Coke, okay? Some French fries like this. Correct or not?
Yes.
See, once I open the application, BookMyShow application, it is showing first all the list of cities, yes or no?
Correct.
And also it is showing all the list of movies.
Movies.
And also it is showing list of theaters.
Theaters.
Okay. List of show timings, yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
Seats availability.
Right.
And also food availability.
Food items.
Tell me, showing list of cities, I can say one service. List of movies. This is service number 2.
Mm-hmm.
This is service number 3. This is service number 4. This is 5.
Okay.
Come on. And this is 6. All these services are included in this application or not?
Yes, it is.
Which application? BookMyShow application, right?
Mm-hmm.
So can I say application can be defined as collection of services or not?
Yes.
Tell me. Come on. Is my answer correct?
Yes, it is.
1 minute. Hello. So what is this, guys? Collection of services. Understand the point here? Hello?
Yes, sir.
But with respect to Salesforce, application can be defined as collection of tabs which provides some functionality. Okay? Hello?
Okay.
So this is the general meaning of application. But with respect to Salesforce, pertaining to Salesforce, application can be defined as what? Collection of tabs which provides what? Some functionality. In
And what do
sales,
we mean by collection of tabs here? Tabs means the same tab that we use on keyboard? Is that
yeah, I can say, I'll show you the tabs, how it is look like.
opening new window, something like?
Yeah, please wait.
Okay.
Look at this, these are all tabs. Chatter, campaigns, leads, accounts, contacts. Understand?
Right.
All these tabs are included in which application?
Salesforce.
Sales. Look at this, sales.
Mhm.
Not Salesforce, sales.
Okay.
This is the app menu, okay? Let me go to, suppose, marketing application. So these are the tabs are available in marketing application. So
Okay.
collection of all these tabs can be called as what? Application.
Application. Okay, sir. Understood.
It's not my definition. Salesforce only given this definition.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this. What is this?
An app is a group
App
of
is a group
tabs
of
that work
tabs
as
that work as unit to provide what?
functionality.
Group of tabs, collection of tabs, okay?
Okay.
Understood?
Right.
So in Salesforce, applications are divided into two types. One is, standard application.
Mm-hmm.
And the second one is what here? Come on.
Custom applications.
Standard application means, come on.
It remains the same, but
No, it
custom
is
we
given by
can
Salesforce.
change.
No,
Okay.
no, which is given by Salesforce. Just now I have
Sales.
shown some sales, marketing, yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
These
Okay.
are all standard application. It is not created by myself, okay?
Okay.
These are all standard. Custom application means which is created by developer.
Okay.
Understand? Which is created by developer as per the business or client requirement, okay?
Okay. Fine.
You can give some example like suppose client company name is XYZ company. That is my application name, okay? Suppose DURGASOFT, that is my application name. You can give any name you wish.
Right.
That is all about application. What is tab? I already shown the tab, yes or no?
Right.
General meaning of tab is what? It connects to some other page, right?
Right.
Earlier I was in Zoom. If I click on tab, I moved into where? Salesforce application, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like this. It connects to some other page. In Salesforce, we have two types of tabs. Same, very simple, guys. Salesforce is very simple. It's not a rocket science. Very simple. Even a layman also can understand. Come on,
Yes.
standard apps.
Custom.
standard tabs, custom tabs. Based on the above point, you can easily tell the answer. Tell me. What is standard tabs?
Standard tabs are given by Salesforce.
Yes.
But if we want to further progress as per the client requirement, we can make changes accordingly.
That is customized.
Custom tabs,
You
right?
want to create the tab from the scratch, that is called custom tab, okay?
Right.
Which is created by, come on, developer. The entire Salesforce contains only two things, standard, custom, that's it. Okay.
Okay.
Standard means given by Salesforce, custom means created by developer. That is as simple as that, okay?
Okay.
That's it. Next point. Standard tabs, you can give some names like, examples, campaign. Just now I have shown, right?
Right.
Leads. Accounts, contacts. These are all what? See, campaigns, leads, contacts, opportunities.
Standard tabs.
Yes or no? Good.
Yes.
One minute, guys. But if you observe carefully, all the tab names are plural names, right?
Right.
Observe carefully here.
Mm-hmm.
Every word ends with S means plural, right?
Yes.
Custom tabs means you can create. You can give any students, courses, employees like this. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
fine. Third one is what here? S object. S object stands for
Salesforce object means table.
nothing but database table. Okay. Database table means it is a place, just like Excel sheet. Okay.
Okay.
It is a place where we can store the information permanently in the form of rows and columns. Tell me, Excel sheet also contains rows and columns or not?
Yes, sir. Sure.
So it is a place where we can store the information permanently in the form of rows and columns. Database point of view table, Salesforce point of view S object. That's it. Am I
Right.
clear?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. Fine. Again, in Salesforce, we have two types of S objects. Now tell me, what are those? Come on. Standard S object,
Custom.
custom S object. What is standard S object?
Those are given by the Salesforce.
Salesforce. Custom S object means
Created by the developer.
developer. Examples of standard S object. Just let me copy all the standard tab names.
Mm-hmm.
Same tab names I've just copied. And observe carefully what I'm doing here. What I'm doing,
Removing S, making it singular.
yeah, make it a singular. Means the difference between S object and tab is all tab names are in plural format. Okay. and all S object names are singular form. That's it.
Okay. Right.
That is how we can differentiate, we can distinguish between the tab and S object. Clear?
Sure.
But here the point is, if you want to access any S object, that we can access only through tab name. Point here.
Okay. Right.
If you want to access a subject, that we can access only through tab. If I
Right.
want to access campaign as subject, I have to access through what? Campaigns tab. Understand? Hello.
Right.
If I want to access lead as object, I can access through what?
Lead tab. Leads tab.
Leads tab. Okay. If I want to access account as object, I can access through what?
Accounts tab.
Accounts tab. If I want to access contact as object, that I can access through what?
Contracts.
Contacts as object. Yes. Contacts tab. Understand?
Right.
Good. Employees, course, student. Okay. What is the next one here? Field, data, and record. Good. So before I discuss about field, let me discuss about first data. Shivakumar, tell me, this is your time to speak. What is data, ma? Shivakumar. I don't know, no one speaking. Shivakumar can hear me. Please unmute and talk with me, Shiva.
I think he left, I guess.
No, he is on the list.
Okay, he's there.
Yeah, he is in the list. Or any one of you, please tell me what is data?
Data means, in general language, it is information or inputs.
Of course, there is a difference between data and information, Gaurav.
Okay.
It's a meaningful information which can be proceed further.
Who is speaking?
Pritam sir.
Pritam, okay. So there is a lot of difference between data and information. Data means whatever we entered into the system is called what? Data.
Data.
Whatever we entered into the system is called data. Tell me what we are entering into the system through keyboard. We are entering numbers, yes or no? And also we are entering what? Come on, English alphabets or other language alphabets. Next one.
Right.
Special characters, right?
Right.
Numbers are how many? Numbers are how many? 0 to
0 to 9.
Alphabets.
A to Z.
Small a to small z. Special characters. Small a to small z and capital A to capital Z also, right? Come on. Hello.
Special
Special
asterisk.
plus everything comes
Everything.
into what special characters only. Understand?
Right.
Do you know how many special characters? 194.
One,
Small a to small z, capital A to capital Z. 56, 26, 52, sorry, 26, 26. 52. 0 to 9, how many numbers? 10. Total how much? Total how much? 256. Point clear?
Yes.
All these 256 characters can be called as data. Understand? Actually, data can also be called as raw facts. Do you know why? Because data does not use come on.
Meaning.
That is why data can be called as raw fact. Understand?
But sir, in normal life, people call data for information they call it as data. So is this incorrect?
That is wrong.
Okay.
I will explain you the difference between data and information now. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose you people, everybody, please try to involve 0155. What is this 10155? Hello.
Numeric number.
Is it data in binary?
Yeah, tell me guys, 10155, what is this represents?
Some number.
It's a numeric value. Can I say that is it a student roll number from college point of view? Can I say that is a student roll number from college point of view?
Yes.
It could be, it might be. Yes or no?
Right.
Okay, but not exactly. Correct or not?
Yes.
Okay. But 10155, can I say that is it employee ID from company point of view?
Could be.
It could be. Or can I say that customer's bank account number from bank point of view?
Yes.
It could be anything, but nobody knows what exactly.
Exactly.
Could be student roll number from your perception. From my perception, it could be employee ID. From other person's perception, it could be what? Customer's bank account number. Maybe from next person point of view, it could be what? Seat number in the flight. Yes or no?
Right. Right.
But nobody knows what exactly this number represents. That
Okay.
is why. But 10155 is the combination of five different numbers. All these 5 numbers coming from these 10 numbers. Yes or no?
Right.
These 10 numbers can be called as what?
Data.
Data only. So from this data, will you get the proper meaning? No, because
This is
nobody
raw. This is
exactly
raw
what it
fact.
represents,
We
right?
can call this 10155 as raw
That's it.
fact here.
That's it. But nobody knows what
Okay.
exactly it represents.
Right.
Good. Suppose Gaurav. What is this Gaurav represents?
Name.
Human name. Can I say the student name in the college?
Could be.
Employee name in the company?
Yeah.
Passenger name in the flight?
Sure.
Patient name in the hospital? Come on.
It could be anything. It could be anything.
Anything, but nobody knows.
Right.
Customer name in the bank? So
Right.
Gaurav is the combination of different alphabets. All this coming from this 52 characters. This 52 characters
Right. Right.
data. So from this data, you do not get any proper meaning, right? What is that?
Some numeric
Number,
value.
numeric value. Can I say that employee salary?
Could be.
Bank balance? It could be anything.
Yes.
Nobody
Yes.
knows exactly.
Right.
Everything is data. From this data, you do not get any proper meaning. That is why data can be called as
Raw fact.
raw facts. Yes or no?
Yes.
So to avoid this confusion, I'm going to write something else above this. Come on. Now everyone got the clarity.
Yes.
Everyone specifically tell 90,000 represents what? Salary. Gaurav
Salary.
represents what? Employee name. That
Right.
number represents what? Employee ID. Yes or no? No
Right.
confusion at all. Now I'm getting the meaning for this data or not?
This is information.
Yeah, this is called information.
Okay. Understood the
The
difference.
difference between data and information is data never gives what?
Okay.
Meaning. But whereas information always giving meaning to you. Okay. Tell me, as a Salesforce trainer, every day I'm giving information to my students or data?
Meaning. That
Information.
means information.
Information about what? About Salesforce subject. Yes or no?
Right. Right.
That is why they can understand what I'm speaking. Because whatever I am speaking, inside have a meaning, right?
Right.
If there is no meaning, they could not understand what I am speaking here, right?
Right.
So according to this point, what you understand is data never gives meaning, but whereas information always gives meaning,
Yes,
right?
meaning. Right. So we enter data.
Yes. So
Okay.
EAD, e-name, salary. That is, of course, that is also data, right?
Right.
Also correction of alphabets, no?
Mm-hmm.
Below one is also data, right?
Right.
The above data represents what? Below data, right?
Correct.
Whenever data represents or data describes about another data, that can be called as metadata. What is this?
Metadata.
Metadata means data describes about another data can be called as metadata.
Okay.
Am I clear?
Yes.
Everyone in the class. Okay. 10244. Shiva. Okay. Understand all of you?
Yes.
So this is first column. This is what? Second column. This is what? Third column. Yes or no? How many
Yes.
columns are there?
3 columns.
These columns can be called as field. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
What is the first field?
ID, employee ID, employee
Second,
name,
third
salary.
field is salary. Field means it represents data. Understand?
Okay.
Data means 10155 is a value. Yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
The value stores against the field. Understand?
Right.
Is the value stores inside this field or not?
Mm-hmm.
Point clear?
Right.
What is record here? Record means the complete line is a record.
Record.
The horizontal collection of data can be called as a record. How many records are there? 2 records, right?
2 records.
Okay, speak out. Horizontal collection of data is called, come on.
Records.
All of you understand all the 6 important words?
Mm-hmm. Right, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
App, tab, as object, field, data, and record. Okay?
Clear.
Okay, tomorrow is Saturday, guys. Generally Saturday evening, I don't want to take the classes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Will you come at morning 8 o'clock?
Yes, sir. We will be ready.
Only tomorrow. Only Saturday.
Okay, sir. No problem.
8 to 10.
Sure.
Because tomorrow weekend now, so that you can also go outside along with the family. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Understand it, everyone? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So will you come at morning 8 o'clock, 8 to 10?
Yeah.
So come
So
down.
this is every weekend plan?
Generally, yeah, generally Saturday morning time I will take.
I think
But
it will be a great idea if this if it can happen.
yeah, because Saturday everybody engaged with their family.
Yeah, that's why.
That is why I don't want to disturb them. So morning, if you take the class, evening time you're free. Okay.
Sure.
You can,
So tomorrow would be the 8 to 10 a.m., right? Morning.
yeah, 2 hours class tomorrow.
Yep.
Okay, same link.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So I don't want to dub the subject at a time. Okay, it's almost 1.5 hour class, 1 hour 40 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, we'll continue tomorrow.
Sure,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Tomorrow
No
class,
problem.
I'll discuss about how to create an account in Salesforce.
Right.
Account in Salesforce, and also, how to create all these things. How to create app, how to
Mm-hmm.
create custom app, how to create tab, how to create a object,
Okay.
everything. How to create everything I will discuss in tomorrow class.
Yes, sir. Sure.
So practically I will how to create. Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, that's it. That's all about the today's session. Hope you enjoyed the class today.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Yeah. Guys, please complete your formalities as soon as possible with registrations. Okay.
Yes.
Then only I can share these notes
Okay.
and also material. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, Preetham, what is your doubt?
Can I have a one-to-one session, sir?
Yeah, no problem. Tell me.
Okay.
You want to talk with me personally?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is my number. Please call this number after 9:30 because I have session again immediately.
Yeah, that's why I called message you, sir. Sure.
So better to call me after 9:30 night, okay?
Okay, sure, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
So I'll catch you tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Thank you all. Have a
Sure,
nice
sir.
Oh,
Thank
so
you, sir.
just mention your number once again.
885
Yep.
411 455.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Yep.
Tomorrow morning at
Thanks,
8 o'clock.
everyone.
Okay, don't
Yeah.
forget. Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow morning 8 o'clock.